Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24 LTS represents a continued refinement of Canonical's long-term support operating system, building on the stable foundation of the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS series while delivering cumulative updates, security patches, hardware enablement, improvements, and ecosystem polish that reflect months of real-world deployment feedback. As a point release in the enablement, Ubuntu the 4th of April 24, LTS does not radically reinvent the distribution. Instead, it consolidates prior updates into a refreshed installation image, integrates newer kernel stacks for expanded device compatibility, and ensures that new users installing the system receive a fully up-to-date platform from day one without requiring hundreds of megabytes of post-install downloads. This release underscores Canonical's commitment to enterprise stability, predictable maintenance, and forward-looking hardware support while maintaining the core philosophies that have made Ubuntu one of the most widely adopted Linux distributions in the world. At the heart of Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24, LTS lies the Linux kernel, refreshed through the hardware enablement stack derived from interim Ubuntu releases. The updated kernel improves support for the latest processors from Intel and AMD, enhances compatibility with modern chipsets, Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth devices, and graphics hardware, and introduces performance optimizations that benefit both desktops and servers. Users deploying Ubuntu the 4th of April 24 LTS on newer laptops or workstations will find improved power management, better suspended resume reliability, expanded driver coverage, and refined graphics acceleration. For enterprise and cloud deployments, the kernel includes ongoing backports of security mitigations, file system stability updates, and networking enhancements that ensure consistent throughput and resilience under load. The desktop experience in Ubuntu 24.04. 4 LTS continues to center around the GNOME desktop environment, offering a clean, modern interface designed for productivity and accessibility. Visual refinements, smoother animations, and subtle performance optimizations contribute to a responsive feel even on mid-range hardware. Canonical's urethane maintains visual cohesion with carefully tuned color palettes, improved contrast, and consistent iconography. Wayland remains the default display server for supported hardware, delivering improved fractional scaling, enhanced multi-monitor handling, and tighter security boundaries between applications. Xorg remains available for legacy scenarios, but Wayland's maturity has reached a point where it satisfies the majority of desktop use cases, including creative workflows and gaming. Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24, LTS continues to embrace snap packaging as a central component of its application distribution strategy. Snap packages provide sandboxed environments, automatic updates, and cross-distribution portability. Core applications such as Firefox are delivered as snaps, ensuring users receive timely security updates directly from upstream maintainers. At the same time, traditional apt-based package management remains fully supported, allowing administrators and advanced users to manage .deb packages through familiar work. The coexistence of Snap and apt ensures flexibility. Organizations can leverage the stability of curated repositories while benefiting from the rapid iteration cycles of Snap-delivered software. Security remains a cornerstone of this release. Ubuntu the 4th of April 24 LTS integrates the latest security patches accumulated since the initial 24.04 LTS launch. This includes kernel-level mitigations, updated cryptographic libraries, and refreshed userland packages. AppArmor profiles continue to confine critical services, reducing the attack surface. Secure boot compatibility is preserved and enhanced, ensuring that systems with UEFI firmware can verify bootloaders and kernels against trusted signatures. For enterprise customers, Ubuntu Pro extends the support window with expanded security maintenance (ESM), covering additional packages beyond the standard 5-year LTS commitment. Live patch support allows kernel security updates to be applied without requiring system reboots, minimizing downtime for mission-critical workloads. Cloud and virtualization environments receive special attention in Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS. Official images are available for major cloud providers, including Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. These images are optimized for rapid deployment, featuring Cloud Init for configuration automation and tuned kernels for virtualized environments. Improved support for confidential computing, secure virtualization extensions, and modern hypervisors ensures that Ubuntu remains competitive in infrastructure as containerization also remains central, with updated Docker-compatible runtimes and tight integration with Kubernetes ecosystems. Canonical's MicroK 8 South and Charmed Kubernetes offerings align seamlessly with Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS, making it a reliable host operating system for cloud-native architectures. On the server side, administrators benefit from refined performance tuning, updated database stacks, and modern language run. Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24, LTS consolidates stable versions of Python, OpenJ, DKPHP, and Node.js, with ongoing maintenance updates that balance stability and relevance. The OpenSSH server includes hardened defaults and systemed improvements, enhanced service supervision and boot diagnostics. NetPlan continues to provide declarative network configuration, simplifying multi-interface and VLAN setups. The installer experience, powered by Subiquity for server deployments, supports automated provisioning through auto-install configurations, making large-scale rollouts efficient and repeatable. Desktop productivity workflows in Ubuntu the 4th of April 24 LTS are strengthened through updated LibreOffice suites, improved printing support via CUPS, and enhanced compatibility with enterprise authentication systems such as Active Directory integration. The GNOME software application offers a unified interface for discovering and updating both Snap and apt applications. Flatpak support remains optional for users who prefer alternative packaging ecosystems. Accessibility improvements, including screen reader refinements and high contrast modis, ensure the platform remains inclusive and usable for a wide range of users. Gaming on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS benefits from updated Mesa drivers, improved Vulkan support, and better compatibility with Proton through Steam, hardware acceleration enhancements, especially for AMD and Intel GPUs, deliver smoother frame rates and reduced latency. NVIDIA proprietary drivers are readily installable through the additional drivers utility, and secure boot integration ensures driver modules can be signed appropriately. As Linux gaming continues to mature, Ubuntu remains one of the most accessible entry points for players transitioning from other operating systems. Power efficiency and thermal management receive incremental improvements in this release. Updated kernel schedulers and refined CPU frequency scaling drivers contribute to longer battery life on laptops. Improved SCPI handling and firmware interaction help mitigate overheating and ensure fan control behaves predictably. On servers, EnergyAware scheduling supports more efficient resource utilization in data centers, aligning with sustainability initiatives and cost optimization goals. Developer workflows are a major focus area. Ubuntu the 4th of April 24 LTS provides a stable foundation for containerized development, continuous integration pipelines, and cross-platform toolchains. The availability of recent compilers, including updated GCC and LLV, allows developers to target modern instruction sets while maintaining backward compatibility. Git build essential packages and debugging tools are readily accessible. Visual Studio Code and other popular IDEs are available through Snap or traditional repositories, providing flexibility for different team standards. Multipass enables developers to spin up ephemeral Ubuntu virtual machines with minimal configuration, streamlining testing across isolated environments. The installer experience benefits from usability enhancements and improved hardware detection. Ubiquity, used for desktop installations, integrates refined partitioning workflows, clearer encryption options, and better dual boot handling. Full disk encryption remains a recommended option for laptops and portable devices, protecting user data against physical compromise. ZFS support continues as an experimental but robust option for advanced users seeking snapshot and rollback capabilities. BTRFs remains available for those interested in alternative file system features, though ext4 continues as the default for its proven reliability. Internationalization and localization support are maintained across languages and regions. Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24, LTS includes updated language packs and improved input method editors, ensuring consistent experiences for global users. Time zone data updates and regional formatting corrections are incorporated to reflect geopolitical and standards changes. From an enterprise governance perspective, Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24, LTS supports landscape for centralized management, enabling administrators to monitor fleets of machines, deploy updates, and enforce compliance policies. Integration with configuration management tools such as Ansible, Puppet, and Chef remains seamless. The long-term support commitment provides assurance for organizations planning multi-year infrastructure like hardware certification programs ensure that many laptops, servers, and IoT devices are validated against Ubuntu standards. Certified hardware undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee driver compatibility and firmware alignment. This reduces deployment friction and increases confidence for IT procurement decisions. The Internet of Things ecosystem benefits from Ubuntu Core Minimal, transactional variant designed for embedded systems. While distinct from the traditional desktop and server editions, Ubuntu Core shares the same base philosophy and security model. Snap-based transactional updates allow IoT devices to receive atomic upgrades with rollback protection, enhancing reliability in remote or unattended environments. Documentation and community support remain strengths of the Ubuntu ecosystem. Official documentation portals provide comprehensive guides for installation, server configuration, and troubleshooting. Community forums, Ask Ubuntu, and IRC channels offer PR assistance. Canonical's commercial support services supplement these resources with enterprise-grade performance benchmarking of Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS indicates incremental improvements over earlier point releases. Boot times are slightly reduced due to optimized service startup ordering. Memory consumption on idle GNOME sessions remains efficient, aided by updated compositor tuning. File system throughput benefits from kernel-level refinements, particularly in NVMe environments. Networking enhancements include improved WireGuard integration, updated OpenVPN packages, and refined firewall management via UFWM's tables, continues as the underlying packet filtering framework, offering flexibility in modern rule management. IPv6 support remains first class, and dual-stack deployments are fully supported. Backup and recovery workflows are strengthened through improved time shift compatibility and integration with system snapshots. Enterprises can leverage RINC-based strategies or cloud backup integrations depending on their policies. The presence of robust file system tools ensures data integrity checks and repair utilities are readily available. Educational institutions continue to adopt Ubuntu for computer labs and research clusters. The predictable LTS cadence allows curriculum planning around stable tools. Scientific computing workloads benefit from updated BLA libraries, Python scientific stacks, and GPU acceleration frameworks. The release cadence of Ubuntu point releases typically follows a structured timeline, with the 4th of April 24 LTS arriving approximately 2 years into the LTS life. Each point release acts as a consolidation milestone, simplifying adoption for new installations while maintaining binary compatibility with earlier 24.0 for SHIS deployments. Existing users receive updates incrementally and do not need to reinstall. Migration from earlier LTS releases is supported through release upgrade, though administrators are encouraged to test upgrades in staging environments. Backup best practices remain essential prior to major version transitions. Sustainability and open source collaboration remain core values. Ubuntu, the 4th of April 24 LTS incorporates upstream contributions from thousands of developers worldwide. Canonical coordinates integration, quality assurance, and security patching while respecting the decentralized nature of the Linux ecosystem. In summary, Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS represents a mature, stable, and forward-compatible operating system release that balances innovation with reliability. By consolidating security patches, refreshing hardware support, refining desktop and server experiences, and reinforcing cloud-native integration, it strengthens Ubuntu's position as a versatile platform suitable for personal computing, enterprise infrastructure, academic research, and emerging IoT deployments. Its long-term support horizon ensures predictable maintenance through the remainder of the LTS lifecycle, offering users confidence that their systems will remain secure, perform, and well supported for years to come.